Are you ready for this? Are you filming it?
Come on, Jeff.
I'm just going to practice, I've got to warm it up first.
He goes around the other side for the picture to be properly.
Right, we need to open this.
Probably rip it open anyway.
Jeff, why isn't it working?
I don't know.
But you said it would work, Jeff.
I know.
There's a definite lack of suction.
On my bag.
I see what you're doing now. You're just trying different angles, aren't you?
It's this
Different methods of approach.
This is only warming it up. Is that a hole? Anyone got a coat hanger? I'm never going to watch a film again. I think if they had something.
Jeff, have you tried the other tennis ball?
Yeah, we've tried
Yeah.
those. Hope has gone.
Right, it's got to be another way. I think, yeah.
Not doing anything at all.
It's not, it's just laughing. It's weird laughing at me. I'm getting somewhere this side though.
Go back up to the shop, Jeff, and ask him if he's got any other tools.
That's the key. That's the key in the ignition. That's the twat that locked the key in the ignition.
I think
It's Johnny's fault.
maybe lock the fucking door.
Retard. Work, damn it. Let me have a lick it.
Give it a kiss for luck.
Just make a proper suction.
There's not any tennis court there. We can play with the half tennis ball.
Oh, it's Jeff. It's moving. Look, it's moving, Jeff.
Is it really?
Look, it's actually moving when he's doing it.
Is it really?
Oh no, no, it's not. That's the action of the car door. It's not. It's nothing to do with the tennis ball.
It's because there's no alarm on the car, otherwise it would have gone off ages ago.
We just take one of these cars.
We can't get in this car, so how are we going to get in them cars?
Try for the other lot. Jeff, try for the other doors.
Yeah. You wanker.
I can't believe you're actually thinking about trying a different tennis ball. Like that would make any difference.
Have you got a football?
Why don't you just go the whole hog and ask him for a plunger?
This is your last chance to get out.
A plunger? Jeff? A toilet plunger?
Toilet plunger, Jeff.
No, I might try actually.
Spend a lot of money on suction tools.
I might try it.
Yes, Jeffrey's on crack.
Why did I lock the... You didn't think you were going to lock the top out?